हरिः ओम्। गीताभ्यासे 2-31 स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य प्लस 2-32 यदृच्छया चोपपन्नम. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः. स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुमर्हसि धर्म्याद्युद्धात् श्रेयोऽन्यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते. यदृच्छया चोपपन्नं स्वर्गद्वारमपावृतं सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम्. पदच्छेदाः. स्वधर्मम् अपि च आवेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुम् अर्हसि धर्म्यात् हि युद्धात् श्रेयः अन्यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते. यदृच्छया च उपपन्नं स्वर्गद्वारम् अपावृतं सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ लभन्ते युद्धम् ईदृशम्. Now clause wise study. Api cha. Tvam, the subject word, is not explicit. Then swadharmam aveksha. Kartari, active voice, subclause. And then tvam is the common subject word for the main clause vikampitum na arhasi. So the first sentence is apicha tvam swadharmam aveksha vikampitum na arhasi. Then second sentence, he kshatriyasya dharmyat yuddhat anyat shreyah na vidyate. This again is active voice, main clause. Then third sentence, partha sukhinah kshatriyaah idrusham yuddham yadruchaya upapannam apavrutam cha swargadwaram labhante. I have made the three components of the karmapadiyaha separated by into separate lines or separate cells because it is easier to understand it that way. Sukhinah kshatriyaah idrusham yuddham yadruchaya upapannam apavrutam cha sargadwaram labhante. Kartari, active voice, pradhanah. The idea is by reading it with that kind of an intonation would give an impression that you are already understanding some meaning of what that clause-wise analysis or what that sentence is. Now, study of Subantaha. Swadharmam. Swadharma pratipadikam. Jatihi nama, noun. One's own religion, or I would better use the word one's own creed. Swadharma. Pullingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Dharmyat. Dharmya pratipadikam. Visheshanam. Righteous. Napusakalingam panchami ekvachanam. Yuddhat. Yuddha. Nama. War. Napusakalingam panchami ekvachanam. Shreyah. Shreyas pratipadikam. Jatihi visheshanam. More benevolent. Napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Anyat. Anyat sarvanama. Another. Napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Kshatriyasya. Kshatriya pratipadikam. Jatihi nama. Noun. Warrior. Pullingam shashti ekvachanam. Yadruchaya. Yadrucha pratipadikam. Nama. Automatically. Yadruchaya, automatically. Strilingam trutiya ekvachanam. Upapannam. उपपन्न विशेषणम obtained, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. स्वर्गद्वारम प्रातिपदिकम स्वर्गद्वार, नाम नाउन, गेट ऑफ हेवन, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. अपावृतम अपावृत प्रातिपदिकम विशेषणम ओपन, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. सुखिनः सुखिन प्रातिपदिकम विशेषणम हैप्पी, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. क्षत्रियाः क्षत्रिय प्रातिपदिकम नाम नाउन वॉरियर, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. पार्थ प्रातिपदिकम पार्थ, नाम नाउन सन ऑफ पृथा, पुल्लिंगम संबोधनम एकवचनम. युद्धम युद्ध, नाम वॉर, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. ईदृशम ईदृश विशेषणम लाइक दिस, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. It would be interesting to study Vyutpatti, etymology of words marked with the plus sign. You can see there that I have marked Shreyas, Yadrucha, Sukhin, Partha and Idrush as many words for which it would be interesting to study their Vyutpatti etymology. Note, words marked with asterisk are samasa. There is only one samasa, I think. Yeah, Swargadwaram. And Swadharma. Okay. And words marked with the raised to sign are Kridantaha. Now we will discuss the Vyutpatti etymology of words marked with the plus sign. Shreyas. Shreyas is Visheshanam of Tarabhava, comparative degree. In Tamabhava, it is Shrestha. In English, comparative degree uses preposition than before what is compared with. In Sanskrit, Panchami is used. Here, Dharmyat Yuddhat. Then Yadrucha. Yadrucha is Yat plus Rucha. Note, Rucha is self-will. So Yadruchaya is by self-will and hence automatically. Self is auto. So self by self-will automatically. Sukhin has in it Taddhit Pratyaya in. And in as a Taddhit Pratyaya means Asya Asti Iti, which makes Visheshanam from a Nam. So Sukham Asya Asti Iti Sukhin. Sukham is happiness. And Sukham Asya Asti Iti, one who has happiness, is Sukhin, the happy man, Visheshanam. Partha is Apatyavachakam Taddhitam from Prutha. Note, Ru of Prutha, Pru has Ru. Ru of Prutha has changed to R by Vruddhi. So, Partha. Vruddhi. Pruthayaha apatyam Partha. As such, Karna, Yudhishthira, Bhima also were Partha. Note, Kuntyaha apatyam Kaunteyaha. Here also, U of Kunti, Ku, U, has changed to Au, Kaunteya, by Vruddhi. Note, Karnaha, Yudhishthiraha, Bhimaha, Arjunaha are all Kaunteyaha also, Parthaha also, because Prutha is alias of Kunti. In Idrush, E stands for Evam. Drush is Uttarpadam in many similar words. Tadrush is Tat plus Drush. Tadvidham Druk Yasya Tat. Yadrush is Yat plus Drush. Yadvidham Druk Yasya Tat. Kidrush is Kim plus Drush. Sadrush Samanam Druk Yasya Tat. Note, in Tadrush, Yadrush, Kidrush, Tadrush is from Tat and Drush. The first T of tat has become ta. First ya of yat has become ya. Ki of kim has become ki. They all have become dirgha. Also, end consonants have become elided. Tat, that last ta is gone, elided. Yat, the ta is gone. And ya has become ya, so ya drush, ta drush. Kim, ma is gone, and rasv ki has become ki, so ki drush. Actually, grammarians observe this pattern of how the words are formed, and they make rules of that. The rule here is almost when affixing drush, the main sarvanama or whatever to which it is being attached, that the last consonant of it goes away and the first letter becomes dirgha. Now druk is prathama ekvachanam of pratipadikam drush, which is kriyavachakam nama. A kridantam, dhatuh drush plus krit pratyaya nul. Note, krit pratyaya nul is a null set because la goes away because of the sutram halantyam 133. Then na and va go away because of lashakva taddhite 138, and u is actually so that also goes away by 132 upadeshe janunasika it. So all na, va, and la, they are all it, and being it tasya lopaha 139, they all become 0. So nul is the name of a pratyaya, grammatical name, but actually as affixing, nothing affixes really, because nul is a null set. Drush remains drush because nothing affixes, but first drush is a dhatu, whereas drush plus nul becomes drush, which is kriyavachakam nama. Second drush means looking. E drush, looking like this, means like this. Swargasya dwaram, it is swargadwaram, shashti tatpurusha. Swargaha, heaven. Dwaram, gate. Swargadwaram, gate of heaven. Now let us look at the tigantaha. Arhasi, dhatuhu arha, prathamaganiyaha parasmepadi, to merit, to be eligible for, to be capable of. Kartri prayoga, active voice, lat lakaraha, that is vartaman kalaha, present tense, madhyama purushaha ekvachanam, vidyate, vid dhatu, chaturthaganiyaha atmanepadi. Actually dhatu vid is of many different ganas, and in different ganas it has different meanings. So with chaturthaganiya atmanepadi means to be, vidyate, is. Active voice, lat lakaraha, vartaman kalaha, present tense, prathama purushaha ekvachanam, labhante, labh, prathamaganiyaha atmanepadi, to get, to obtain. Kartari prayoga, active voice, lat lakaraha, again vartaman kalaha, present tense, prathama purushaha, but bahuvachanam. Now let us look at the kridantaha. Aveksha, a plus v plus iksha. Iksha panchamaganiyaha parasmepadi. Krit pratyaya is lyap. So actually lyap again affixes only as ya. Pa goes away by halantyam and la goes away by lashakva taddhite. So what affixes is only the remnant ya. So a plus v plus iksha plus ya aveksha, and that is an indeclinable avyayam. So no pratipadikam, no lingam vibhakti vachanam. On looking at, that is the meaning. Yuddham or yuddhat, we have both the forms here. युद्ध धातु चतुर्थगणीय आत्मनेपदी क्त इति कृत प्रत्यय. सो युद्ध प्लस त युद्ध, व्हाट इज फॉट इज युद्ध विशेषण. नाउ बिकॉज व्हाट इज फॉट, टू फाइट, is akarmaka intransitive, it cannot be said that it is karmani, so instead we call this kta krudantam as of bhave prayoga. Napusakalingam, yuddham is dvitiya ekvajanam and yuddhat is panchami ekvajanam. Vikampitum, vi plus kim kamp, प्रथमगणीय परस्मैपदी. कृत प्रत्यय तुमुन, again it is an avyayam, so no pratipadikam, means to be disturbed, vikampitum. कर्तरि प्रयोग नो लिंगम विभक्ति ही वचनम. धर्म्यात्, धर्म इति धातु दशमगणीय उभयपदी. कृत प्रत्यय ण्यत्, सो धर्म ण्यत् धर्म्य, राइचस विशेषण. अगेन भावे प्रयोग नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. उपपन्नम, उप प्लस पद चतुर्थगणीय आत्मनेपदी. कृतकृतंतम उपपन्न, obtained. Oh, it is a विशेषणम, mistake there. कर्मणि प्रयोग नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. अपावृतम, अप प्लस आ प्लस वृ प्रथमगणीय परस्मैपदी. तस्य कृतकृतंतम अपावृत, ओपन. कर्मणि प्रयोग नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. अन्वयार्थ स्वधर्मम अपि च आवेक्ष्य, इवन ऑन लुकिंग एज वन्स ओन क्रीड, त्वं विकंपितुं न अर्हसि, यू शुड नॉट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. क्षत्रियस्य धर्म्यात् युद्धात् अन्यत् श्रेयः न विद्यते. For a warrior, there is nothing more benevolent than a righteous war. Idrusham yuddham tu yadruchaya upapannam apavrutam cha swargadwaram. Such war is gate of heaven, opened by self-will, opened by chance. Partha sukhinah kshatriyaha ईदृशम युद्धम यदृच्छया उपपन्नम अपावृतं च स्वर्गद्वारम लभन्ते. You son of Partha, Prutha, only happy warriors have such war, such gate of heaven opened by self-will, opened by chance, automatically. छंदो विश्लेषण. स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य, पिचावे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, न विकम्पितुम् अर्हसि. तुमर्ह एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, धर्म्याद्युद्धात् श्रेयोन्यत्. धात् श्रेयो एतेषां मात्राः द्वे द्वे द्वे. सो देयर इज सम डिफरेंस इन द पैटर्न रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अनुष्टुप् छंदः. क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते, न विद्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. तृतीयः पादः भिन्नः, अन्यथा अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र. लुकिंग एट द अदर वर्स, यदृच्छया चोपपन्नम, चोपपन्न, because of double न conjunct consonant, the previous to that gets two मात्राः. So चोपप एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. स्वर्गद्वारम अपावृतम, मपावृ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ, त्रियाः पा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशं धमीदृ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. This is Anushtup Chanda. Notes of self-study. In Krudanta Talika, there is dharmya, dharma nyat. That is, dharma is a nama dhatu. Otherwise, there is no regular usage of dharma as a verb, as a dhatu. But here, the word dharmya is obtained as with a krut pratyaya nyat affixed to dharma as the dhatu, which then, because it is a dhatu obtained from dharma, the noun, it is called as a nama dhatu. Dharma is a nama dhatu. In Aptech dictionary, vyutpatti given is dharmad anapetaha. Dharmat anapetaha, unapetaha, not distanced from dharma. In turn, conforming to dharma. Two negatives make one positive. So, dharmya is conforming to dharma. Note, I have translated dharma as righteousness and swadharma as one's own creed. I think these are the best translations of these words, because the normal connotation in English, Sanskrit English dictionaries is dharma is religion. Religion is no meaning here. Dharma is righteousness. Vyutpatti of Kshatriya also makes an interesting study. There is dhatu kshan, ashtamaganiya ubhayapadi, to hurt. Kshatraha is one for whom hurting is the creed. Kshatriya belongs to that clan of the society, every member of which is kshatraha. Kshatram is abstract noun connoting the creed of kshatraha, kshatriyaha. A kshatraha, kshatriyaha performs kshatram, discharging the duty and responsibility to protect the society from aggressors and also from evildoers within the society. So they have to keep hurting people, hurting the wrong people. That is what the job of a Kshatriya is. So Kshatriya is that member of the society who takes upon himself the duty and responsibility of protecting the society by being aggressive against the aggressors and evildoers. In his arguments about why he did not think that fighting the war was proper, Arjuna had mentioned that Kula Dharmaha, Jati Dharmaha get destroyed. Here Sri Krishna has raised a counter argument of Swadharmaha, of Kshatriya. What about one's own creed? First of all, one must follow one's own creed, and then the question of Kula Dharma, Jati Dharma comes. And by one's own creed, a creed of Kshatriya is Kshatram. So, to Arjuna's mention of Kula Dharma, Jati Dharma, Sri Krishna has raised a counter argument of Swadharma. But Sri Krishna presents the argument softly, rather enticingly, that for a warrior, a war, especially such war when one has to test one's skills and determination against the likes of Bhishma, Drona, is as good as one landing at the gates of heaven, which are opened by themselves. A strategy of enticement is Damaniti, showing some enticement. Because there is a counter argument, it is a challenge to the wisdom of Arjuna's arguments. So it is also Bhedaniti. Earlier there was Samaniti, now we have Damaniti and Bhedaniti. We have to see whether further on there is Dandiniti also. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601@gmail.com. Shubhamastu. This is by S.L. Abhinkar, Mumbai, Thursday, May 14th, 2020.